Have you ever looked at your auto insurance policy and wondered what is the difference between comprehensive and collision coverage? Which one do you need, or do you need both? Today, I'm going to discuss comprehensive and collision coverage. What is the difference between the coverages and how they affect you? By the end of this video, you will be able to determine which one fits your needs and if it is worth having both or just one coverage to save on your premium. First, let's look at the difference between these two coverages. Comprehensive insurance coverage protects your vehicle against unexpected damage that's not caused by a vehicle collision. Such incidents may include theft, vandalism, fire, windshield and glass damage, falling objects, hail, wind, flooding, and accidents with animals like hitting a deer. For example, I once had a deer run into the side of my vehicle while traveling in the mountains. I used the comprehensive coverage on my policy minus the deductible to repair the damage that was caused. Collision insurance coverage can pay for damages caused by a collision with another car, an uninsured driver, or structures such as fences, trees, and mailboxes. Collision coverage will apply whether you are at fault or not. Let's say you're driving down a residential street and you swerve to avoid hitting a dog. You lose control of your car and hit a utility pole. Your collision coverage would cover the cost of repairs to your car minus your deductible. If your vehicle is totaled, collision would pay out the actual cash value of the car before the accident. So which coverage, comprehensive or collision, should you choose? First, if you have a lien on your vehicle, it doesn't matter since both coverages will be required. However, if you have no lien on your vehicle, I always recommend choosing collision coverage. This way, you don't have to worry about the high repair cost after an accident, as you're only responsible for the deductible. With that said, there is a caveat. I highly recommend comprehensive and collision coverage when you're located in an area with natural disasters. Remember, comprehensive coverage protects your vehicle from falling objects, hail, wind, and flooding. It has protected my asset on several occasions. So now you know the difference between comprehensive and collision and which one you need. Make sure to share this video with anyone you know so they don't make the wrong choice on their insurance.